Now, I don't have any 4mm PV cable to hand, which is what I was going to use, but I did have a Tesla charger, which I don't need. Now, this cable generally has up to 32 amps running through it, so I reckon it's definitely good enough to run this piddly little battery. Okay, first things first, I'm going to make the negative connection to the BMS. And then I'm going to run another piece of cable off here, which will be exiting the battery box. And then I'm going to run some positive cable just out this end for the positive connection. All right, let's start here. For this cable, I'm just going to check. Yeah, that's definitely going to be an easy fit. I'm going to be using SE66. So it's a hole for 6, and it's actually set for 6 squared cable, but it will do the job because it's the smallest I have. And now that's tight, that's not going anywhere. All right, so negative is going to be blue. All right. All good. Chop that off. Take. There we go. Give it a bit of a twist and off. There we go. Again, it's going to be like that, and here. All right, that's a little better. Shit. Now, the way these MC4 connectors work, you have your plastic female and your plastic male connector. So female, male. The narrower one will actually go into the female plastic connector, and the thicker one will go into the male plastic connector. I'll just set these aside for now. Start making connections. Annie, that's looking good. I'll crimp it all the way. Pop it out. We have a solid connection. This will then pop into the MC4 like so. You can hear that click. And then we have our weather seal. Try to slip that back in there. go. And finally, tighten it up. Let's slide that through here. Try to keep it neat. And get a lug on. Open it up. Okay, so I have the battery connections set, and I suppose the next thing to do is to see if I can just maybe hook it up to a load and get the BMS going. Now it does seem I'm having a little bit of a problem here with getting the BMS to power up. So what I'm going to do is check that these positives and negatives are actually correct on the load end. So I think what might have happened is the negative here for the BMS to go through, I think that actually should be a female plastic end, and the positive should be a male plastic end. So I've just double checked the voltages here on the old battery, and that would certainly seem to be the case. Because this has kind of been done a little bit kind of hodgepodge that I'm trying to continue on with, I may have taken an incorrect reading and reversed the polarity. So hopefully the BMS is functioning properly. It didn't turn on before I connected it to a load, and I am getting low voltage when I tried to turn it. When I tried to turn it on, I'm getting anywhere between kind of 3 and 7 volts on the opposite side. When I make a connection with the positive with the multimeter and the negative here, I'm getting full voltage. But when I make the connection on the other side of the BMS, I'm getting low voltage. So what I'm going to do is make up another set of leads, and I'm going to put the opposite ends on them. So I'll essentially be replacing, I'm going to leave this cable alone for now just to test my theory. So I'm going to be replacing this with a female end and this with a male end. I'm going to use these two cables here to hook them up, and I'll just do that off screen and get back when they're done. Okay, ready to go. A little bit basic, no real protections on there, but we don't really need them. In fact, I could have just crimped the steel pins on and that would have working, but just for safety I went with the full plastic enclosure. Right, first job is flip this over and let's get a connection here. next. And loosen this off. Shit! Let's check the voltages there. .26 volts, we're still good. Wow. Now, let me see here. Yeah, 26 from here to here. Okay, so guys, insulate your tools, or be extra careful. I didn't anticipate clipping off this. So as you heard, the BMS turned on. I'm quite happy with that. Obviously the problem was mostly my fault. I was working around with MC4 connectors in fairness, and it was kind of a little bit difficult to get a reading with the voltmeter, and I messed up along the way. So by checking the polarity, basically swapping male and female MC4 connectors and plugging those in and then connecting the charger, the BMS turned on. So all good there. Now all I have to do is, well, I'll remove these temporary connections that I've put on, and I'll replace the male and female, or rather I'll swap around a male and female. I just have to snip the tops off them and put a male where the female was and a female where the male was, and then we're all good. So with the charger itself, I did get the wrong charger. I think it was an XLR, and I think it's an XLR charger that's actually needed. But the one that I got, it's like a 3-pin. The pins are in like a triangle shape. But the one I got is, the connector is just way too large. So I need to look a little bit more into that. I want to get a specific LFP or LiFePO4 or lithium iron phosphate charger to keep everything kind of above board. Aside from that, I am in the BMS. Here we are. So as you can see, the cell count was automatically 8. The capacity was set to 40. I've just changed that to 50. And in the advanced settings here, I'm just gonna fiddle around with that and see where I need to be. Other than that, I'm gonna leave it alone and plan. What's the plan? First of all, change out these connectors. Second of all, look at getting the correct battery charger. And finally, I have to wait for the acrylic perspex to arrive before I can build the battery case. Other than that, there isn't really anything else I can do. All right, let's get back up on the table and fix these connections. Okay, first MC4 connector head has been cut off, and the cut off one was a female. So we want to replace that with a male head. Just leave that there for the moment. Beautiful. And in you go. This on here first, and then this. doesn't have the same satisfying snap as the male connectors. Right, there we go. Okie dokie. Now, clearly not going to be going very far.